Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's a 1967 Chevelle SS. It's a real SS 138 car. Finished in triple black, so it's black outside, black inside with the buckets and console and a black vinyl roof. It was actually just put on about what, 2 months ago?
Less than that.
Less than 2 months ago. Yep. I got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. Man, what a great car.
Thank you.
Absolutely awesome. Love the period Cragars too. So what do we have under the hood?
It's the 454.
Yep.
4-barrel headers. Electronic ignition. New radiator.
New alternator I saw.
New alternator, yes. New battery.
That's matted to 4-speed. Really nice. Just drove it over here. It runs and drives fantastic.
The transmission's been rebuilt.
Okay. How many miles are on that?
Less than 1,000.
Okay.
And also new linkage, new Hurst linkage. The Shifter Linkage.
Mm-hmm. And the Hurst Shifter as well?
Yes.
Cool. Man, what a super straight, beautiful body. Really nice chrome and stainless. Black's hard to keep, but man, this thing is great. These are period Cragars. They're legit. They're not reproductions or new. Those are legitimate old school Cragars. Sorry for the wind, guys. You can see the clouds right in the paint. Really pretty. You have disc brakes up front?
No, I do not.
Drum all the way around. Edelbrock intake, brand new alternator. Sitting down long tube headers. Leading out the dual exhaust. Looks like what, Flowmasters up there?
Yes, it is.
Let's fire it up. Really windy here. And cold too, it's about 35 degrees. You guys for a quick ride. Let's go for a ride. So how long have you owned this?
5 years? It'll be 5 years.
Go back to your house. so much for joining us today. Any questions at all, feel free to give us a shout. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's webeautos.com. And also keep in mind we do offer worldwide shipping and financing. So subscribe below, and hope to hear from you soon.